347 Ford. Just got done making some beautiful power as always. This has an alternator only kit on here from March, a sniper, and a Hyperspark distributor. And she makes some awesome power. Has a custom painted block and pan, and she looks absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions on anything that we do here at Proformance Unlimited, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you with your project, your performance project, and we'll take you over to Dyno Video, show you what kind of power this baby makes. Hey Doug, got your 69 Ford Mustang engine here. Happens to be one of our Ford 347s. Fired up and give you a run demo.